What's going on, guys? Marcus here, back with another video. So today I have my most highly requested video. An entirety of 2 people have requested this video. You know what that means? I've got to make it. This is going to be a chicken heart cooking special. Here we go. Why chicken hearts? Chicken hearts are the most consistently cheap source of protein that I can find. I've never seen the price change. It is always $4.40 per kilogram, which is really good for meat, especially as meat is going constantly up in price. So with this meal prep, we're gonna be making 4 meals, which includes chicken hearts and rice, my signature food. Ingredients, what you're gonna need: 2 packs of chicken hearts, 2.5 cups of rice, a big pan that looks just like this one, a pot for the rice, your favorite flavorings and salts, a little bit of oil, a strainer, and last but not least, you're gonna want 4 containers. I'm using a bowl because I'm gonna eat one of these meals as I make it, but you're gonna want 4 containers to place your food in. For step number 1, we're gonna turn on the stove and throw some oil in the pan. Now your pan doesn't really have to heat up that much, just enough to be warm and melt the oil. Then all we're gonna do is throw the chicken hearts in the pan, throw some salt on it, whatever flavors you like. I'm only using salt because that's all I use, but whatever flavors you wanna use, go for it. Once everything is salted, mix in the salt, put the lid on, and lower the heat a little bit. The chicken hearts will have some blood in it. It's up to you if you wanna throw the blood in or not. I do, I just throw everything in. Once all the flavors are in and mixed around, turn the heat down to a medium-high, just over medium like I put it here. Put on a lid, and now we wait. So honestly, I don't really know how long I normally cook the chicken hearts. I just kind of do it until they look kind of ready. But for the sake of this video, I'll time it. I'm also going to be mixing periodically, maybe every 5 minutes, making sure that everything is getting cooked all around. As you will notice, water is going to build up in the pan, which is a good thing. You want the chicken to boil in the water. So as this cooks, I'm going to be throwing some rice into the pot. So we're going to be taking 2.5 cups of rice and 5 cups of water. Mix it, cook it on a pot until it's ready. That part should be pretty easy. You guys should be smart enough. Once the rice is ready, strain it and save it for later. So at about 10 minutes in, I turned the heat down to medium exactly and gave it a nice little stir. At 15 minutes in, I'm taking off the lid to let some of the water start to evaporate out. I'm not turning down the heat, I'm just gonna mix it a little. The water is gonna evaporate out and I'm just gonna leave it to cook for a bit longer. The rice is now complete, so I will be evenly distributing it to each container. And as you can see here, evenly distributed my rice across the 4 containers. So it has been 23 minutes and I have confirmed that these are definitely done. So now I'm gonna be throwing it into the strainer to throw out the excess water and then distributing it into the containers. And just like that, your chicken heart meal prep is complete. Really easy. Took me about 25-30 minutes. Wait, stop making the chicken hearts. I made a mistake in my recipe. Don't dump out all of the water from the pan. The water from the pan is very flavorful, especially if you put in some cool flavors. You need to put some of that into your rice to make the rice a little bit less dry and add more flavor to the rice. Otherwise it's too bland, you have to add too much olive oil. Don't dump out all the water, dump out half the water and put the rest into the rice. We can continue back with the video. Now when I eat these, all I do is throw in some olive oil and Parmesan cheese. That's all the flavors I like to use. And in the past, I have thrown broccoli, red peppers to add some more volume into the meal. And that's it. Check it out. Cheap food, high in protein, decent calories. And because chickens are sponsoring this video today, you can use code MarcusWolf to get 10% off your next purchase of whole chickens. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try out this meal. Chesley, David, this one was for you. Mally, you better try it too. And I'll get to you guys in the next video.